If humans can tread upon our moon, then why wouldn't other life forms be gazing at their moons and stars, thinking of the endless possibilities, just like us? Buzz's fervor for space exploration and his commitment to deepening our understanding of the cosmos is unmistakable. He's lived and breathed the alien, the otherworldly, the cosmic unknowns, and emerged with a conviction that echoes through the very fabric of space-time. We are not the only ones here. Now let's dive deeper into this cosmic perspective. Imagine a vast ocean teeming with different species, from the smallest plankton to the giant blue whale. If Earth was a single drop in this ocean, wouldn't it be preposterous to assume that life existed only in that one drop? The wonders of the universe are truly beyond comprehension. But every day, our scientists and astronomers are making discoveries that push the boundaries of our understanding. Exoplanets are being discovered at an exhilarating rate, many of which are located within the Goldilocks zone, that magical region around a star where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. If that doesn't fire up your imagination, consider this. These are just the planets we've found. There are surely countless more out there, waiting to be discovered, potentially teeming with life. Aldrin's assertions also come with a subtle but compelling challenge. He's urging humanity to continue its cosmic journey. His belief in extraterrestrial life is more than just an assertion. It's a clarion call for continued exploration. It's a beckoning towards a future where interstellar travel isn't just the stuff of science fiction, but a tangible reality. Imagine the civilizations we could meet, the cultures we could immerse ourselves in, and the cosmic mysteries we could finally unravel. Beyond just the potential of biological entities, think of the forms that extraterrestrial life could take. Silicon-based beings, gas giants with floating sentient forms, or even beings of pure energy. The universe is a playground of endless potential, and Aldrin's conviction is a testament to the boundless possibilities that lie in wait. While skeptics might argue that there's no concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, Aldrin's perspective is grounded in probability and optimism. It's a reminder to always keep an open mind and to let curiosity be our guide. The vastness of the universe, combined with the exciting discoveries of exoplanets and the mysteries they hold, make the notion of life beyond Earth not just plausible, but highly likely. Life on the moon is a fascinating topic that has intrigued scientists and explorers for centuries. But how could life have originated or arrived on the moon? Life as we know it requires some basic conditions, such as liquid water, organic molecules, energy sources, and suitable temperatures. The moon is a very harsh and barren place for life. It has no atmosphere, no magnetic field, no plate tectonics, and no volcanic activity. It is exposed to extreme temperatures, ranging from -173 degrees Celsius or -279 degrees Fahrenheit at night, to 127 degrees Celsius or 261 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. It is also bombarded by cosmic rays, solar wind, and meteorites. The moon has very little water, mostly in the form of ice in permanently shadowed craters near the poles. The moon also has very low gravity, only about 1/6 of Earth's. Given these conditions, it is very unlikely that life could have originated on the moon by itself. The moon lacks the essential ingredients and processes that are needed for life to emerge and evolve. However, this does not mean that life could not have arrived on the moon from somewhere else. There are two possible ways that life could have been transported to the moon: panspermia and human activity. Panspermia is the hypothesis that life can be spread throughout the universe by natural means, such as asteroids, comets, or interstellar dust. According to this idea, life could have originated on Earth or another planet and then been carried by space rocks to other worlds, including the moon. Some scientists have suggested that some of the lunar rocks brought back by the Apollo missions may contain traces of microbial life from Earth or Mars. However, this hypothesis is very speculative and controversial, and there is no conclusive evidence to support it. Human activity is another possible way that life could have reached the moon. Humans have been sending spacecraft and landers to the moon since the 1950s, some of which may have carried biological contaminants or experiments. For example, in 2019, An Israeli spacecraft called Bereshit crashed on the moon with a payload that included thousands of tardigrades, microscopic animals that can survive extreme conditions. Some scientists have speculated that these tardigrades may still be alive on the moon, but this is also uncertain and disputed. If there is any life on the moon, it would have to be very simple and resilient, such as bacteria or fungi. It would also have to be able to survive in very limited and isolated habitats, such as inside rocks or ice. It would also have to cope with the lack of water, nutrients, and energy sources on the moon. It is very unlikely that there is any complex or multicellular life on the moon.